He is welcome. He is a lawyer. So he is welcome to give his advice input in the defense. Maybe if he wants to, he can be part of the defense team. But because of his age and because of rigorous preparations in an impeachment case, baka sabihin ko sa kanya na wag na lang siyang mag-lead dahil medyo may edad na si former President Rodrigo Duterte. He's already 80 years old this year. Challenges sa preparations, well, so far wala naman. Wala naman kaming na ano lang kami, na-overwhelm kami kasi ang daming mga lawyers na nag-signify na tutulong sila sa defense. So, ngayon ay pinag-uusapan on how to go about it na makuha lahat ng kanilang commitment of support at makatulong din sila sa pag-iisip